In this video, I will be solving question 6 uh, for the paper uh, Pure Mathematics 1 variant 2 that was done in February-March 2023. So the question reads, in the expansion of x over a plus a over x squared raised to the power of 7, it is given that the coefficient of x to the power of 4 divided by the coefficient of x is giving us 3. So find all the possible values of constant a. So to solve this question, there is something that you have to do. Just do the analysis like this: x over a, then multiply by a over x squared. So we need to get a power here such that if I take away the two powers, I'm going to get a 4. So already this is 2, so I only need a 6 here. So if I need 6 here, then this one should be 1, so that we can total the powers to end up with a 7. So once you get that, you see this part here is 1. So what does it mean? We are going to have 7 factorial divided by 1 factorial, then 6 factorial. So what does it mean? 7 factorial, 7 comes from the power. That's why we are doing 7 factorial. And then 1 factorial, it's this one here. Then 6 factorial is this one here. So ensure that when you add the denominator, like 1 plus 6, you should get the numerator. And also these two powers, when you add them, ensure that you have what? 7. So here I only need the coefficient. So 7 factorial is the same as 7 times 6 factorial divided by 1 factorial is 1 divided by 6 factorial times this one is going to be I only need the coefficient, so I can put here a 1. So 1 to the power of 6 is 1 over a to the power of 6 is a to the power of 6, then times here it's actually a. So my coefficient would be 7 because this one will cancel, and then over a to the power of negative 5 because this one goes here 1. Okay, a to the power of 5, not negative 5. A to the power of 5. This one goes here 1. Here it goes there a, and then do 6 minus 1, which is 5. So it's giving us 7 over a to the power of 5. And so we want also to get the coefficient of x. So we'll use the same process. We are going to have x over a, and then in this side we're going to have a over x squared. So here I need to get the difference of the power being 1. So what I can do, if I make this one 2, this one will be 4. So I actually need to add 5 more so that I can get to the power 7, because our equation, remember, okay, our binomial, remember, it has power 7. So I have to put here 5. Now, here I'm going to have 7 factorial divided by, I'll take these 2, so I'm going to have 2 factorial, then 5 factorial. So I will end up having 7 times 6 times 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2 because it's 1 times 2. Then times what? 5 factorial. Then I open bracket, that is x to the power of 5 over a to the power of 5. Then times a to the power of 2 over x to the power of 4. So this one cancels, this one goes here 1, it goes here 3. So I'm going to have 21. This one goes here 1, this one goes here x. 5 minus 4 is 1. Then this one goes here 1, it goes here a. 5 minus 2 is 3. So I'm remaining with that is x over a cubed. I'm remaining with the x over a cubed, yes. So I only need the coefficient. So the coefficient is 21 over a cubed. This one only. But the question tells us that if you do divide the two coefficients, I'm going to get to 3. So I will get my numerator coefficient, that is the one of x to the power of 4, 7 over 8 to the power of 5. So I'm going to have 7 over a to the power of 5 over, all over means divide by. So we're going to have 21 over a cubed. So this is the same as 7 over a to the power of 5 times a cubed over 21. So I'll end up having 7 divides 7 once, 7 divides 21 3 times, a cubed divide a cubed once, a cubed divide here, a, 5 minus 3 is 2. So I'm going to have 1 over 3a squared. But there is one thing that we've been told. The answer we are getting is equal to 3. So 1 over 3a squared is giving us 3. So I'll put this one under 1 so that I can cross multiply easily. So I can do 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay, it's actually 9. Let me write it like 9 exactly. So it's actually 9, and then a squared equals to 1 times 1 is 1. If you divide both sides by 9, we will get a squared equals to 1 over 9. Then getting a square root on both sides, plus or minus, the value of a is plus or minus 1 over 3. That's it. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe, comment, and share it with your friends.